Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, Bank Nifty continuing to move down, as I said in the next week, in the previous week's video also, that Bank Nifty still has some space to move down. Same with Nifty also. If you see, Nifty has also continued to move down, but if you see, Nifty is starting to break the swing, right? But there is a point that I want you guys to see, and that point will be very important to decide where will the market go from here, right? Now, if you see, I'm going to go ahead and open the daily chart of Bank Nifty. If you see over here, the market, this was a very good buying zone, right? And if you see, now the market has come over here, but if you see, there is also buying happening in the market, but if you see, the buying is not that great, right? This is one point that you need to keep in mind, that the buyers are not aggressively buying, because if the buyers would be aggressively buying, we would have seen a pretty good recovery and markets would have, this would have been a hammer candle, a green hammer candle over here, or at least a candle which would have closed above 44,000, right, in the weekly chart. But if you see, markets have still made a red candle. That means the buyers are not aggressively buying over here. Keep that in mind and play accordingly for the next week, right? The buyers are not aggressively buying. Same thing with Nifty also. If you see, the buyers are not aggressively buying. The buyers tried to buy aggressively, if you see over here in this candle on Monday, but then if you see, markets again saw a sell-off. That means still there is a chance that we could see a very good sell-off in the coming week or two in Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? Because the market is not moving up. Maybe we might consolidate over here for some time, show everyone that we are going to give a breakout from here and then start moving down, right? Something like, if I could show you guys, yeah, something like this, if you see, or if you see something like this also, where the market moved down. This was a very important level of 42,750, or you can say 720. Markets tried to break out above that level and then we saw a sell-off, right? So something like that could happen over here also. So keep that in mind and trade accordingly. And as of now, we will still keep our view a little bearish, right? Maybe we might consolidate for a few days over here, but overall our view is still not on the buying side. Where will we buy? Above 45,000 only. This is the point where we'll go ahead and go ahead and aggressively buy in the market. But until then, in a bigger time frame, our view still will be for selling. Same thing with Nifty also, right? Now talking about Bank Nifty, if you see in the daily chart, Bank Nifty is taking support. So if the market has to go down, it will not go down so easily. Like after opening with a gap up maybe, or after opening flat and starting to move down, chances of that happening are very less, right? Because market needs liquidity of buyers. It will first try to go up and show everyone that yes, the market is getting bullish, everybody should go ahead and buy, maybe make a some sort of a bullish pattern over here on the bottom, and show everyone that the market is trying to go up from here, and then the market will go ahead and move down, trapping all of those people, right? So again, if the market is not going to go down so easily right now, tomorrow what we can do is that, if you see, I'm just going to go ahead and open my drawings. Yes, if you see, there is this trend line coming on the downside, right? As if we open flat or with a small gap down, say somewhere near 19,750 or maybe 19,743, sorry, 43,750 or maybe 43,700, or even if you open flat, if we start crossing this trend line and you see market taking support, if the market is making some sort of a candle like this, or if I go into the 5-minute chart, yes, if you see market making some sort of a candle where there is a big wick on the downside, right, either in the 5-minute chart or in the 15-minute chart, right, then you can go bullish from here, right? I know that the market could get bearish also, but market will not go down so easily from here, right? If the market has to go down, then it will first go up, show everyone that it is getting bullish, it will break probably this swing or this swing, then it will get bearish from there, right? So tomorrow what we'll do is that if we open flat or with a small gap down, like anywhere a gap down above 43,700, as soon as you see buying coming in from this range, right, same range as I said on in previous few days of videos, 43,700 to 43,500, keep this 200 point range marked. If you see any sort of a buying coming in from this range, we go bullish from it, right? Only for the short term, but we go bullish. And then your first target will be 43,900, and your second target will straight up be 44,200. You can also book some quantity at 44,000, but I think if the market has to move, then it after breaking 43,900, I think we'll see 44,200 easily from here, right? Then once we go up in this range of 44,200 to 44,400, this is the place where we'll go short aggressively. Because if the market has to go down, it will go down from here and it will not even stop near this level of 43,600, 700, right? But first the market needs to go up and we will also take that momentum or capture that momentum, right? That is for Bank Nifty. Say if you open the gap up somewhere near 43,900, then we wait for a swing to be made in the market, right? Say some sort of a swing like this over here, if you see, or some sort of a swing like this. Once that swing is made on the upside, that swing is crossed, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade also till 44,200 on the upside. But if that happens, keep your quantity a little bit less and do not go very aggressive. Go aggressive in buying only if we go near 43,700 to 43,500, because market already has a few short positions. The big institutions, if you see the data, right, FIS and FIS still have a good amount of short positions, and proprietary traders also do have good amount of short positions, so they will want to square off near this area, and that is when we also go bullish with those guys. Right now, that was for Bank Nifty. If you open up a very big gap down, say somewhere near 43,500, then the first 15 minutes will be very important, right? I don't think we'll open with such a big gap down of 350 points, but if that happens, then the first 15 minutes will be very important. If you see good bullish price action being made, then you can go bullish from here. I know it will be, you can say that, it will be a bit of what you can say a suicidal move, but I think they still, until unless we are holding 43,500, we can aim for one up move from here, and then again we could see a down move, right? But still, the first 15 minutes will be very important. If we start breaking down in the first 15-minute candle, if you see price action being negative in the first 15 minutes, then you go short from here. Then pretty much keep open targets till wherever you can see, right? Your first target, however, will be 43,300, but after that you can keep pretty much open targets and let the market go down till whatever point it wants to. If we go, say, open near 44,000 or 44,100 and all these levels, then we'll do nothing over here, because market is opening at a place where there could be a bit of volatility, and then we'll only see to short the market near 44,200 to 400, this 200 point range on the upside. As I said in the daily chart, buying is still not that good in the market, right? So I'm still bearish in the market. Maybe we might see two or three bullish, like one or two bullish candles being made over here, but I will still be bullish and I will not change my view until unless we are breaking 45,000, or at least we see some sort of a price action, a good bullish price action before that, right? But see, if you see, still this will be a very important zone. I have marked this zone in my previous videos also. You can also mark this zone. 44,300 to 400 will be a more crucial zone, but you can also see for shorting above 44,200 also, right? So yeah guys, now that was for Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, if you see daily charts, first of all, going to daily charts, Nifty is also looking like there could be a pullback in Nifty till 19,500 levels, and then we could see a bit of again correction in the market, right? So talking about 15-minute chart, again same thing with Nifty also. 19,260, very important level, right? Everybody's eyes is on 19,260, right? Because market has tried to, market has taken support 3 times from this level. Everybody will take a short position as soon as we go below this level, and that is when you should look for buying opportunities. If you see after breaking 19,260, if the selling is not coming fast, this is fast selling if you see in the end, right? We want such type of selling, then the selling is real. But if you do not see fast selling coming in, then you start taking bullish positions from here till the target of first target of 19,340 to 350. That will be your easy first target, and then you can also hold on for bigger targets of even 19,460 to maybe 480 on the upside, right? But I don't think that will come tomorrow itself. Maybe it might take a day or two to come till there, right? But 19,480 to 500, sorry, 19,480 to 520, right? As I said, this range will be important for you to take a bearish position from here, right? I'll go ahead and also mark this range for you guys, and you can also go ahead and make this range in your own charts, right? 19,520 to 19,480, right? This range will be a very important range on the upside where we will go ahead and take a short position, right? But until then, we can expect the market to bounce back up from there, bounce back up till 19,500, and then, as I said, we'll again take short positions from there. So yeah, guys, as I said, look for subtle signs in the price action of the market. The one subtle sign was that the market is still not showing very good buying from the downside, right? Even after getting to such a good support, market should have shown some sort of a good buying from here and then maybe consolidated at higher levels, but market is still consolidating at lower levels. So notice these subtle signs in the market and then make your view, right? Maybe you might think that market is consolidating. Oh, the market is taking support from here. We'll again go bounce back till 45,000 fully. But chances of that happening are not that great in my opinion, right? So I hope you guys understood a few important points from this video, and I hope this video also helped you guys to kind of get a few more, um, you can say a few more perspectives on the market, right? And one more thing, guys, I've uploaded my scalping video, the strategy that I use in Bank Nifty to take scalping trades. You guys can go ahead and watch that video. I'll also put that video in the end screen so you can even watch that from there, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.